The iCloud storage full warning is Apple's most persistent nag, and it comes with immediate consequences. Your nightly backups quietly stop, new photos refuse to sync, and if you use an iCloud email address, your mail can completely grind to a halt. This happens because of a free allowance, 5 gigabytes, that hasn't budged in over a decade. We are living in an era where a single minute of 4K video can eat a third of a gigabyte, yet the free ceiling remains frozen. Usually, the data consuming your allowance is not your recent camera roll. It is invisible ghost data from devices you no longer own. We are going to execute the highest yield free fixes first, in the order that recovers the most space. Then we will look at the exact mathematical threshold where paying $1 a month beats fighting the system. Beating this warning does not require deleting your favorite memories. It requires identifying and evicting digital hoarding. Open Settings, tap your name, hit iCloud, and locate the colored storage bar. Keep one distinction straight. iCloud and iPhone storage are different things. iCloud is Apple's online allowance. Your iPhone storage is the physical hardware chip. Today, we're strictly clearing the cloud. The single biggest win involves Apple's backup retention. When you move to a new iPhone, Apple keeps the full backup of your old phone in the cloud indefinitely until you personally delete it. Go to Manage Account Storage and tap Backups. If you see a phone you sold years ago or an iPad sitting in a drawer, that is your storage right there. Deleting an old device's backup is safe. Your synced photos, messages, and contacts live separately from these backups. Removing a dead phone's file touches none of them. One absolute rule: never delete the backup of the phone you are currently holding. That is your safety net for the day this device breaks or gets stolen. Evicting a single old phone backup often recovers multiple gigabytes, instantly curing the storage crisis in a single move. While you are on that backup screen, tap your current iPhone. This exposes every individual app stuffing data into your nightly backup. Most of this is pointless. Streaming apps with refetchable downloads, games saving progress on servers can be safely toggled off to shrink your backup permanently. WhatsApp is a special case. Inside its internal chat settings, you can toggle off video backups. This keeps your actual messages protected while reclaiming gigabytes of space. Shifting focus to photos, we need to clear a myth. Optimize iPhone storage does nothing to free iCloud space. It keeps smaller versions on your phone, while full originals live in the cloud. It solves a full phone, but iCloud remains packed. If iCloud Photos is on, your library is a single unit. Delete a photo on your phone, and it is gone from the cloud, your iPad, and your Mac too. To shrink this segment, sort your videos album by length. Targeting massive, forgotten clips and old screen recordings clears more space than deleting thousands of standard photos. Now, open the recently deleted album and delete permanently. These files hold your storage hostage for 30 days, which is why most cleanups fail. Effectively managing your storage depends on deliberate manual culling. Misleading automated settings rarely solve the underlying math problem. Head back to the main Manage Account Storage list. If the bar is still high, hunt down 3 hidden culprits: messages, mail, and voice memos. Years of large group chat attachments and unemptied mail trash bins invisibly inflate your usage. Voice memos are a common blind spot. Long audio recordings sync to the cloud by default and accumulate over time. For computer owners, there's a zero-cost hack. Switch off iCloud backups entirely and back up locally to a Mac or PC via a physical cable. This method costs 0 cloud space, though it requires the discipline to actually plug your phone in regularly. Utilizing local backups ensures your 5 gigabyte cloud allowance is used strictly for your live files and photos, removing redundant device data from the equation. Check your storage bar one last time. A typical cleanup recovers 2 to 4 gigabytes and eliminates the warning immediately. Here is the hard truth for modern users. If you shoot frequent 4K video and want full cloud syncing, no amount of tidying will permanently keep you under 5 gigabytes. Upgrading to the 99-cent iCloud Plus plan is the right move. It expands your limit tenfold to 50 gigabytes, providing headroom for a modern library. It also adds privacy features like Hide My Email and HomeKit storage that don't count against your quota. Paying for storage protects your media library, but it should only happen once you've confirmed you aren't paying rent on the ghosts of old devices. If this cleared your iCloud mystery, hit like,
Share it with someone ignoring that warning, and subscribe for more tech guides.